my equation. The directions say identify the vertical asymptote. How do you find a vertical asymptote? Set the denominator equal to 0. So what is the vertical asymptote? No, if you tell me -6, I will count it wrong. X equals -6. You can make yourself remember to write down X equals.
Could you say that right before we start working on the test, or write it on the test or something?
No. 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 What am I getting you ready for? College. College is not going to tell you when you have your test, though. Make sure you write that down. Okay, what about this one? Polyspalt. I'm not going to tell you the part of polyspalt either. You've got to know to do that. What is it?
It is X equals 4 and 2.
X equals 4, X equals 2? Do we agree?
Can I go 4, 2?
All right.
Or will that be
What?
4, 2?
That would not be wrong.
Oh.
Horizontal asymptotes. That's next on the test. Identify the horizontal asymptotes. Oops. What is the horizontal asymptote? You remember the rules? If the top is less than the bottom, it's y equals 0. Well, then guess what? You better study. It's y equals 0. All right. What about this one? What is the horizontal asymptote?
1/3.
Y equals 1/3.
Jeez.
Do you agree? Okay. What about this one? There is no horizontal. This one you do divide. You're correct. It has a slant. That one doesn't have a horizontal. It has a slant.
Do you have to put that there's no horizontal or just design?
It depends on what it asks. If it asks what is the horizontal, then you would put none. If it asks to find the asymptote, you would find the slant. We good with this one?
We didn't find this.
So,
We want to find the slant. How? Long division. Your favorite thing? No way. X squared minus 6. Isn't this x? Gives me 3x and x squared. Change the signs. negative 3x minus 6, right? Minus 3. Do I care what the, so my slant is y equals x minus 3. Right? Everybody good with that? What if I gave you my it's not writing where I put my finger, that's off, but that's okay. What's the slant asymptote for this one? Why? Right. You all understanding that?
Yeah.
So that's a big part of the test right there. The vertical asymptotes, the horizontal asymptotes, the slant asymptotes. Are we good with all that? Okay, now, can we graph one?
Yeah, sure.
Sure?
Oh,
What was the answer?
It has no slant. Do you understand why?
Is
I'll allow it.
because like the X are both the same.
Yes.
I think I know.
This is not working. Why isn't it working?
What are you trying to get it to do?
Grow.
Oh,
It's okay.
Can you do the thing where you have to like,
Hmm?
where you like set the board?
Yeah, but I'm recording, so I hate to do that. I may have to. I wonder if I can pause it. Okay. Where is my vertical asymptote?
X equals 2.
X equals 2?
Yes.
Yes. So right here, right? Where is my horizontal asymptote?
Y equals 1.
Do y'all agree? Do I have a slant asymptote? No. Because it says graph the function. Be sure to graph all asymptotes. That's what the directions say. All right, so where is the graph? Do you know? I think you should put it, at least try to graph it. So one of them, one is right here, isn't it? Isn't that one? And the other one is here? Does it cross the asymptotes? Nope. It's close but doesn't cross them. Are you good with that? All right. That's all the asymptotes. You good with all the asymptotes? Sawyer, you're going to remember to put letters?
yes.
Good.
And arrows.
And arrows. That's correct. All right. Now, let's go to inequalities. Guys. Take a breath, goodness. I'm trying to think of a problem to make it easier for you all, and y'all are. Do you miss each other over the long weekend?
Yes.
All right. How do I solve that inequality?
Well, distribute the two x.
So 2x squared plus 4x equals 4x. Oh, let's do a plus 50. Plus 50. Right? Now I want it equal to what? 0. So 2x squared minus 50 equals 0. Right? How do I solve this? You can polysmult it. That would be the best thing to do.
That would be cheaper. We don't need this one.
5 and negative 5. Is that what you got? So I have negative infinity to negative 5 with a what? Parenthesis. Parenthesis negative 5 to 5 and 5 to infinity. Right? Pick a number from each interval. What are we going to try first? Negative 6. When I put negative 6 in the very top, I get negative 12 times negative 4 is what? Is less than, is that 48 is less than? No, that doesn't work. Try a 0. That gives me 0, 0 is less than 50. That is true. And a 6. 12 times 8 is less than 24 plus 50? Nope. Can you guys work these? You're good at these?
What is this called?
Solve the inequalities. Because when I put a negative 6 in, I got 48 is less than 26. Ready to do a harder one? Guys, give it up. What do I do first? I set the denominator, don't I, and decide what will make it undefined?
X equals 4.
X equals 4. That's my first critical number. Now I set it equal, right? So x plus 3, over x minus 4 equals 0.
Right, multiplied by x.
So x plus 3 equals 0. What is x? Negative 3. So I have negative infinity to negative 3. What does negative 3 get? A bracket. Then negative 3 to 4. What does 4 get? Parenthesis. And 4 to infinity?
Why does 4 get a parentheses?
Because anything that comes from the denominator gets a parenthesis. What am I going to use for the first one? Negative 4. When I put it here, I get negative 1, negative 8. Is that greater than or equal to 0? Yes, it is.
Oh, wait, 'cause it's two negatives.
Isn't this 1/8? So this works. What am I going to use for the middle one? 0 gives me negative 3/4 is greater than 0. Nope. 5 gives me 8 over 1, so that works. Right? You good with that? So, do you have an A so far?
Maybe.
If you remember to write X and Y on asymptotes.
If I remember the horizontal.
Okay. Now, the directions say solve for K. All right? Y varies directly as X. Directly. X is 14, Y is 18. How do I do it?
Y equals 14K.
Y equals,
Or 18 equals 14.
well, we're using Y equals KX. So 18 equals 14K? Right? What is K? What is K? 9/7? Do not give me a rounded decimal. Your calculator has fraction button. Right? Okay, you good with that? Guess what's next? Y varies inversely proportional. When, do I need to write that? Y varies inversely proportional to X. Doesn't this mean Y equals K over X? So X is 21 and Y is 40. How do I write it? 40 equals, what is K? 840. Now, I was nice on the test, and I didn't flip your numbers around, or your letters. I used X and Y. Instead of when the book uses strangely. Right? All right. One more of these. What's left?
Jointly.
Jointly. Y varies jointly as W and X. X is 5. W is 8. Y is 20. So is Y equal to KWX? So 20 equals K times 8 times 5? 20 equals 40K. K is 1/2.